How to fix Gmail not receiving emails. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Gmail application in your mobile device and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on this three-line icon. Scroll below, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, then tap on Data Usage. Now tap on Sync Settings. Now make sure you set it according to your liking. After that, tap on Done. Head back to your home screen. And if you're on iPhone, you want to go and simply long press on Gmail, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, you want to go and simply open up the App Store and then reinstall it again. After that, update the app. Open the App Store. In the search bar, you can simply search for Gmail. Once you search for it, you can simply tap onto it and make sure it is updated. If not, tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, emails should now start arriving again normally. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.